Hello, how are you? I'm Daniel from TOURMALINE, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Black Tourmaline. The Black Tourmaline is a very different crystal and it's very easy to identify it. When you look at it, depending on the angle, you will see many facets with pointed terminations. So it's very unique. It's not easy to get confused with other stones, for example, because of its shape. And the main source of black tourmaline is the iron, so the black color comes from the iron. The black tourmaline is perfect for protection. And to use it is very simple. You just carry it with you in your purse, in your backpack, in your pocket. You can also have some black tourmalines around your home to clean the energy, to absorb the bad energies and neutralize them. As I explained in the psychic vampire videos, depending on the situation, a black tourmaline may explode or may break or fall apart. So don't worry if this happens. The black tourmaline is perfect for healing purposes too. You can place a black tourmaline and a hematite between your feet during a healing procedure to anchor the energies. This hint I learned in this amazing book called Crystals from Janine Harding. This book is divided into colors, so it's very easy to find your crystal or your stone to learn more about it. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. The black tourmaline is a very easy crystal to find, to obtain, and any crystal store will probably have it, and it's not very expensive. So if you're going to buy crystals for the first time, for example, include the black tourmaline as a priority in your list. So this is the black tourmaline. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, comment, tell me about your experiences with the black tourmaline. Okay? Thank you. See you.